Experiment 001 has escaped the FNNC laboratory and has been spotted in your area if you have spotted it.
There is no hope.
How to protect yourself from this anomaly. Step 1. Lock all doors and windows. Step 2. Stay inside at all times. Step 3. If you hear glass shatter, hide yourself and your family. Experiment 001 is a humanoid anomaly that is 9 feet tall. It has a claw on its head, a spike on its left hand. Its right hand has sharp fingers. Stay safe, everyone.